You're watching the news at 10 a.m. My name is Amita Wadhwa. Well, more on to Wasigate controversy, where after the arrest of the encounter specialist and former cop Pradeep Sharma yesterday by the NIA, more sensational details are now coming out. Another cop who has been detained for questioning by the NIA, and of course more details that are coming out of the links that are now being drawn to the alleged murder case of Mansukh Hiren. Here's the report.
As the NIA intensifies its probe in the Mansukh Hiren and Antilia bomb scare case, murkier details have come to light. This is the Red Tavera, in which Mansukh Hiren was allegedly strangled to death in March. In this car, the central agency found crucial DNA samples which can further bring some clarity to this sensational murder case. Santosh Shilar, the man who owns the car, is the same man who also named former encounter specialist Pradeep Sharma in the murder case. Interestingly, Pradeep Sharma met former Mumbai top cop Sachin Vaze at the Mumbai police headquarters just 3 days before Mansukh Hiren's body was found in a creek. And just hours after his arrest, the NIA has seized a bag full of evidence from Pradeep Sharma's office.
पहली तस्वीरें रिपब्लिक मीडिया नेटवर्क पर जहां पर आप देख रहे हैं, इसी ऑफिस में जहां पर एनआईए की 2 टीमें हमने देखी और यहीं से जो है डॉक्यूमेंट्स सीज किए गए, यहीं से प्रिंटर जो है वो सीज किया गया। दूसरे और जगह को अगर देखें, यहाँ से अगर कोई ऑफिस यहाँ पर अगर हम देख पाए तो देखिए बिल्कुल एक तस्वीर है जहाँ पर हम शायद ये इस रूम पे पहुँचे जहाँ प्रदीप शर्मा शायद यही बैठा है। ये प्रदीप शर्मा का ऑफिस है और प्रदीप शर्मा का इसी ऑफिस पर लगातार जांच जो है वो की गई थी। यहाँ पर लगातार खुद यहाँ पर छानबीन जो है वो एनआईए टीम की ओर से की गई थी, जिसमें से प्रिंटर जो है वो सीज की गई। कई ऐसे डॉक्यूमेंट्स जो है जो अभी भी फिलहाल वहाँ पे कई ऐसे डॉक्यूमेंट्स वहाँ पर ज़रूर रखे गए हैं और पीएस फाउंडेशन को लेकर जो डॉक्यूमेंट्स है, जो ज़रूरत डॉक्यूमेंट्स है वो एनआईए तो अपने साथ जब्त कर लेकर गई है, लेकिन दूसरी ओर अगर देखें तो प्रिंटर को भी इस ऑफिस से निकाला गया, यानी सुबह 6 बजे से।
Now the NIA has detained another Mumbai cop and Pradeep Sharma loyalist, Rajkumar Kothmire from Nagpur, for questioning in the murder conspiracy. Allegedly, Rajkumar Kothmire assisted conspirators to pass police checkpoints on the night Mansukh Hiren was murdered. Kothmire was also accused by bookie Sonu Jalan for extorting money.
मैम, मेरी कंप्लेन थाना के सीपी मिस्टर परमवीर सिंह जो मुंबई सीपी पे रह चुके, उनके असिस्टेंट मिस्टर प्रदीप शर्मा, राजकुमार कोथमीर एंड एंटी कदम, इनके खिलाफ है। क्या आपकी कंप्लेन में क्या आपने मेंशन किया और किन किन को कंप्लेन की है? मैंने कंप्लेंट्स पीएमओ से लेके मुंबई डीजीपी, महाराष्ट्र के मुख्यमंत्री, गृह सचिव मिस्टर वलसे पाटिल एंड एंटायर जो भी सिस्टम में आते हैं, जो ब्यूरोक्रेट्स वगैरह, सारी कंप्लेंट्स इनको दी।
All these arrests link back to Sachin Vaze and his extortion cabal. One by one, pieces of the puzzle are falling into place. And with the NIA leading from the front, it will not be long before the conspirators of this heinous plot are brought to justice. Bureau Report, Republic TV.
Well, with those exclusive details, we are now joined by our reporters from Mumbai and Ahmedabad. We have Yesha joining us and Priyanka also joining us live this morning. Yesha, good morning to you. First of all, I want you to tell us the details of the raids and the searches that went on for several hours yesterday, as early at 6 a.m. when it had started at Pradeep Sharma's residence there in Mumbai. We are told that many of those recoveries that has been made of a certain bag and documents and other electronic devices too. And also tell us about the detention of the close aide of Pradeep Sharma that we are getting to know that has happened by the NIA. The details, please.
That's right. So what we know of is not only Pradeep Sharma's residence at Andheri, but several of his offices, which includes the PS Foundation office, that is his NGO, was also raided last night. Apart from that, there were several raids that were being carried out by the NIA until late last night, even at several of his offices, which are in the suburbs of Mumbai. Now, from these, there have been various recoveries that have been made, because what we saw was yesterday various electronic evidences as well as documents were seized from all of these places which were raided, and as a result of which these proved to be crucial evidences when NIA was arguing against Pradeep Sharma in the special court. Now, what we know is, apart from that, now considering that it's already Pradeep Sharma who's been arrested, there would be various other people who are now in the radar, because several of these people were close associates of each other. Now, be it Sachin Vaze or for that matter even Pradeep Sharma, they were close associates. Now the fact that Kotmire's name comes up, it is all these people used to work together at the Thane police, which includes also the former Mumbai police commissioner Parambir Singh as well, who was the commissioner then. Now what we had over the last few weeks had found out was all these names had come up in the CID probe as well, when businessman Sonu Jalan had mentioned these people and had said that these people were extorting money. It was approximately more than 3 crores, 3.5 crores that was paid by Sonu Jalan. He had claimed that he had paid this amount to Pradeep Sharma, in which even Kotmire was involved, and this all was done on the instructions of the then Thane Police Commissioner Parambir Singh. So all these people are, including Kotmire and also for that matter of fact Pradeep Sharma, were a close-knit circle is what we know of. So as a result of which, now that we've seen that NIA is going further and probing these instances, is just a step ahead, because all these names have been coming out in the last few months, is what we know ever since this entire Vazegate investigation took place. Because what we saw was ever since Sachin Vaze was arrested, there were several other names which came up, people close to Sachin Vaze, be it for that matter Riaz Qazi or even Sunil Mane. Now Sunil Mane's role is quite important here, because it was yesterday in the by the NIA that it was claimed that it was Sunil Mane who got Mansukh Hiren in the red Tavera, and there were several samples of DNA which were also found out from that red Tavera. So now there are more evidences which are coming out in open, and which would lead to further understanding of what actually happened in the entire Mansukh Hiren death probe, as well as in the Antila bomb scare case. Yes, Amrit.
All right, I can go across to Priyanka now, because Priyanka, that time you were in Mumbai reporting on the very same case, and it seems that there are apparent links as far as the Antila bomb scare link is concerned with Mansukh Hiren's alleged murder, and all of these links now seem to be interconnected. Now with the latest car that has now been seized, if you have the picture that we are playing out and we have access to on Republic, this is something that the NIA will be probing into further. Of course, there is a series of cars that have already been taken into its custody there while it was probing Sachin Vaze. Now this is Pradeep Sharma case, which is now being investigated, and yesterday he was finally arrested. The red Tavera car, Priyanka, if you can give us more details, it is being said that Mansukh Hiren allegedly was strangled in this very same car.
Well, yes, the investigation is actually unearthing a lot of truths that we had been investigating as well in this entire matter, because we have now seen that several top cops, and not just limited to Sachin Vaze, Parambir Singh and of course Pradeep Sharma himself, there are several cops who had in fact been involved in making sure that this entire conspiracy was carried out on the instructions of Pradeep Sharma, as stated by the NIA in the court yesterday while asking for custody of Pradeep Sharma himself. And now we have seen Rajkumar Kotmire, who had actually helped these people who were carrying out this entire conspiracy, who were carrying out the alleged murder of Mansukh Hiren, to cross the checkpoints of police security as well in the night of question where Mansukh Hiren was allegedly murdered. So this is a deeper conspiracy that is now being unearthed by the
All right, Priyanka, we need to fix that audio link with yours so that we can hear you better. But in the meantime, let me go back to Yesha now, because Yesha, as far as the Vaze investigation is concerned, it was already under the scanner by the NIA, but there are more meetings that are now coming to light that apparently happened between Sachin Vaze and Pradeep Sharma just before the death of Mansukh Hiren. What more can you tell us?
That's right. So what we know was all this while there was no name of Pradeep Sharma that came up, because we had accessed the CCTV footage when it comes to Sachin Vaze. It was shown that Sachin Vaze was seen leaving his office premises. His mobile was kept in his office, but he had left, gone all the way until CSG and then reached Thane, because which was where at Mumra was where Mansukh Hiren's dead body was found on March 4th. But now there's several details which come out which clearly say that Pradeep Sharma had met Sachin Vaze just 2 days before the death of Mansukh Hiren. Also, to add to it, yesterday 2 more people who were arrested, including Satish and Manish Soni. These 2 people were arrested along with Pradeep Sharma yesterday, and their claim in the court that it was they who were instrumental in the death of Mansukh Hiren. To add to it, the fact that these people ended up calling both Pradeep Sharma as well as Sachin Vaze raises several questions, because NIA itself questioned in the court yesterday that why would someone call both these people up as soon as the death of Mansukh Hiren takes place. So now there are several such questions that remain unanswered, because Pradeep Sharma yesterday had said that he is not involved in this case. It was his lawyer who tried to defend, saying that if the NIA wants the custody of Pradeep Sharma, they need to get several more evidences against them. But the fact that now NIA has been given the custody of Pradeep Sharma until 28th of June, they would understand several more such details as to the nitty-gritties of what really conspired, how did the entire conspiracy take place, because some of these people arrested in the last 3 to 4 days, which includes Jadhav, that is Ajay Jadhav, as well as Santosh Shelar, they have been involved in the Antela bomb scare case, and Shelar has in fact been an informer of Pradeep Sharma. Yes.
But Priyanka, if you can hear me now, because we are talking about the red Tavera car, the SUV there. Now it is being said that it allegedly belonged to Santosh Shelar, who is already in the NIA custody till the 21st of this month. What more can you tell us regarding this particular car?
NIA had made several submissions in the court, which also involved that there were DNA samples that were found inside of the red Tavera, which also goes to show that the entire alleged murder, in fact, was actually carried out inside the car. Is another running theory that the NIA officers are investigating upon, and this is something that they're looking at in terms of who else was also involved in this entire conspiracy, because now more and more new names are coming out who were actually close counterparts of Pradeep Sharma himself, and now looking at Pradeep Sharma at the epicenter, his allies and his counterparts in the Mumbai police are actually also going to be investigated to understand how much their role had been in this entire conspiracy of the alleged murder of Mansukh Hiren as well. But one thing is for sure, that Pradeep Sharma's name that was coming up since the very beginning is now it has now been confirmed by the NIA in terms of the evidences that they have as well, because they have several IP.
So Pradeep Sharma is already in the custody till the 28th of this month. NIA continues to probe the earlier 2 arrests that were made by it, who are in custody till the 21st of June, and more sensational details continue to come out of what is being called as a murder mystery of Mansukh Hiren, and the apparent links that are now being drawn to the Antela bomb scare case to Yesha. And Priyanka, thanks very much to both of you for joining us live this morning. We move on now to national news.